welcome back to my channel. As you know, I wasn't really going to upload till my mocks or boards got over, but I realized that I have like a 1 or 1.5 week gap between my boards and my mocks, and I decided I may be able to film a video in between. If you're watching this, I probably did it. As my pre-boards are going on and this turns out to be the last week of my pre-boards, I thought why not vlog it and take you guys through on how and what I exactly did during these 7 days. So today I have my French speaking paper. We actually have 4 papers in French. I actually started preparing for French yesterday night. So yeah, that was pretty eventful, and we actually finished like a whole past paper, which is a great achievement when it comes to French speaking. Vous êtes dans un hôtel et vous voulez changer de chambre. Vous parlez à la réceptionniste. Je suis la réceptionniste. Bonjour, alors vous voulez changer de chambre? Quel est le numéro de votre chambre s'il vous plaît? बाप रे सही में मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया स्पीकिंग के लिए यार. À quelle heure est-ce que tu veux aller au parc aujourd'hui? Oui. On y va comment? Pouvez-vous répéter s'il vous plaît? You could have used the on only as. Bonne nuit. So I just got over with my French exam. It is about 12 right now, and I think I'll go have my lunch and then I'll sleep like for 30 minutes and I'll get back and tell you guys what I'm doing. So the first paper I have is literature paper 1, which is poetry and prose. So I'm gonna go through and speed read through this book and just go through the notes I've made on all the pages. So now that I'm done with all the summary and the notes I had to revise, and I also read through my novel, I am gonna attempt some past paper questions because that is basically what helps me get through literature. So yeah, let's go do that. So for literature, whenever I'm answering questions, I always have the past paper question and I firstly make some points. So I have a whole plan here and then I start writing my answer. So I'm gonna do that and I'll update you guys if I do anything further. So as you can see, my notes for the poetry paper are very untidy. I didn't really know I would suffer while revision time when I went through them. But yeah, now what I've started doing is I've started making notes on a Word document and they come out way tidier. Okay, so on Sunday, I only studied for bio because I had bio on Tuesday, and here I'm doing my MCQ paper because we have 3 papers for bio. And yeah, I also had like a severe headache because of looking at the screen for such a long time. So I didn't really vlog a lot that day. All the pills we take have seemed to prolong our existence, but I don't feel alright. I would rather be alone. We've been dancing for so long under the stars. So today is a Monday, which means that I have my literature exam. It's in about 1 hour, and so I'm just gonna go revise for that. Got over with my literature exam. My hands are hurting right now, so I'm gonna go take a break. I will not be vlogging today anymore because I'm really tired and I have 3 papers of bio tomorrow, so I'll update you guys whenever I'm vlogging. Bye. I just got done with my MCQ paper and I'm gonna go have breakfast right now. So I'm back. I just had my breakfast and I have my ATP paper next, which stands for Alternative to Practical. So the questions are basically whatever we had to do in our practicals, but the difference is we don't do the practicals. We write down whatever we would do during the practicals. I suck at explanation, so I'm really sorry if that did not make sense, but I hope you get like a basic understanding of what I meant. Anyways, I'm gonna go just look up through notes, and yeah, that's it. Are you confused about what's going on here? Me too. So let's not talk about it. Anyways, I just got over with my but now I'm gonna take like a 30-minute break because I have literature and French tomorrow. So I have a French writing paper tomorrow, which isn't really a big thing for me, but literature as a subject is. So by the way, I completely forgot to mention, so I have my literature paper 2 tomorrow, which is drama. So of course it has plays in it, and speaking of plays, we know we always have William Shakespeare for some reason. Me personally, I am not interested in his plays. So I have Romeo and Juliet. I have this book, The Crucible by Arthur Miller, which I think is a really good book. So let's just have a brief session about my notes, shall we? Because I was really proud of them in 9th grade. As you can see, I have these quotes highlighted according to themes or something. I also, during revision, like exam time revision, I used to attach these pages onto my textbook. So actually, whenever I made those kind of notes using sticky notes or attaching those pages onto my textbook, first of all, it made it really easy for me to refer to all my notes because they were in one place. Also, whenever I read the question during the exam, I would visualize the whole textbook in front of me. This helped me a lot because I am a strong visual learner, and that's the reason I efficiently learned this way, and it made it easier for me to memorize quotes. So yeah, it's my birthday today, and I just got over with my chemistry MCQ paper. I have 2 more papers left, and I don't think so I'm really going to do a lot today because I have like a physics paper tomorrow, and also I really feel happy whenever somebody wishes me. So thank you so much. I am not really expressive, so you cannot see how happy I am feeling on my dull face.
We've been dancing for so long under the stars. I feel as the grass will cut through my skin. All the bills we take I've seen